Orlando Pirates teenage sensation Belegezi Mbogazi has announced himself on the big stage after delivering a standout performance in his side's hard-fought 2-1 victory over Mamelodi Sundowns at FNB Stadium on Sunday. The 19-year-old defender, who has swiftly risen through the ranks of the Buccaneers, was named man of the match after expertly handling the relentless pressure from Sundowns' lethal attacking from Ikram Reyners, Peter Shalul, and Lucas Ribeiro Costa. Speaking after the game, a confident Bogazi reflected on the team's preparation and unwavering determination to secure maximum points, and said, "We played very well against Sundowns. We trained hard the whole week preparing for them, and we knew they were not going to come out alive." The South African under-20 star credited coach Jose Rivero for instilling a warrior-like mentality in the team, and said, "The coach told us we must be ready to give everything on the pitch, even if it means pushing ourselves to the limit. If one of us falls, another will step up and continue the fight." Pirates made a blistering start, scoring 2 early goals that proved decisive. Despite challenging second half, in which Sundowns pulled one back, the Buccaneers held firm to secure a crucial victory. Mbogazi also said the second half was tough, but when you are playing well and maintaining the pressure, 45 minutes feels like nothing. Forwards did their jobs by scoring, and as defenders, we had to ensure we protected our lead. Unfortunately, we conceded, which is not what we wanted, but will gladly take 3 points against a quality team like Sundowns. Bogazi is the latest prodigy to emerge from Pirates' youth development system, following in the footsteps of exciting talents like Lobogile Mofokeng, Mohau Nkotha, Boitumelo Rodiopane, Siyabonga Ndlozi, and Azola Zobeni. Since his promotion to the first team, the versatile defender has made 3 Premier Soccer League appearances, starting all of them, and has already found the net in the Nedbank Cup. With the Buccaneers set to face MC Alger in the CAF Champions League quarterfinals on April 1, Bogazi could soon add continental football to his growing resume. If his recent performances are anything to go by, South African football may have unearthed its next defensive gem. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.